So right now I'm on my phone and I will show you how you can set up MetaTrader 4 on Android for monitoring purposes. So what you want to do is to click on the Play Store and search for MT4. Of course, I already have the app installed, but you will want to click on install and wait for installation to finish. Then search for the MetaTrader 4 icon and just click on it. You will want to go to the sidebar and click Manage Accounts. Then you will probably have nothing right here. You just want to click on the plus sign to add an account, and from here you want to choose Login to an existing account. So as you can see, I already have Liquid One Demo and Liquid One Live. You will want to search for this, so just type in the Liquid and you will have them right here. Just choose if you want to connect to demo or live account. Let's say that right now we want to connect to the demo account, and in here you want to put in your account number. So this is account number for your Liquid FX account, and right here you put in the password for your Liquid FX account. Then just click sign in. I'm already signed in to this account. So what I will show you, if we go to this arrow right here, we can see currently opened trades. When your trading bot will be running, you will be able to see the trades right here. But right now I don't have this bot running. This was just a test, and you can see the account history here under this box. So we started with $1,000 and created almost $400 of profit in just 4 weeks.